ये हाथ मुझे दे दे ठाकुर।
अपने हाथ जगन्नाथ।
ये 2.5 किलो का हाथ देखा है?
कर लो दुनिया मुट्ठी में।
नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, आप सोच रहे होंगे that why am I giving all these dialogues? Friends, there are certain things which are not in our control, but the ones which are, we should. And our body language is one such thing which is completely in our control. Now, imagine a situation where I'm talking to you. नमस्कार फ्रेंड्स, मैं एक बार फिर से हाजिर हूँ आपकी खिदमत में एक नया वीडियो लेकर। Did you find anything missing? अच्छा चलो, each one of you याद करो and then tell me. जब हमने बोलना भी शुरू नहीं किया था तो how were we expressing ourselves? हैंड मूवमेंट्स। तो जो मैंने अभी स्टेच्यू बन के डायलॉग बोला, the missing link was hand movements. So this shows the importance of hands during a conversation. Meaning, किसी से बात करने के टाइम पे we should not stand like an expressionless mannequin or a robo. Friends, बात करने के टाइम पे use your hands often. Trust me, friends, if you can, your speech sounds powerful and impressive when accompanied with hand movements. This certainly does not mean that you move your hands to this extent. So, what is the ideal hand gesture for a good body language? Your clue master is there. I'll give you a clue. Consider your body from here up to your waist a square box. Your hand should not move out of this box during the conversation. बस इतनी सी बात आपको याद रखनी है. So use your hands adequately and appropriately. Do's तो मैंने बता दिया आपको. There are certain don'ts also to follow for a good body language. Don't close your hands or fold your hands. It shows you're not interested in the conversation. Also friends, आपने नोटिस किया होगा कि जब कोई हमें मारता है या मारने का जेस्चर करता है, तो we close ourselves like this to protect ourselves. So close body language, as I said earlier, also shows your fear, nervousness, or defensive attitude. Then pocket में hands, overlapping hands.
No.
No wiggling, no fidgeting with your fingers, hands, or gadgets. आपको कैसा लगेगा अगर if I do it like this? Also कुछ ladies को मैंने देखा है वो बात करने के टाइम में they do something like this with their hair. So all this multitasking, keep it aside for some time. Give a complete attention to the conversation you're having with the person.
Handshake.
Handshake is an important part of hand movement. आप किसी से पहली बार मिल रहे हैं. So step forward. Offer your hand first to shake hands. Give a power handshake or a warm handshake. सोने पे सुहागा. Power handshake के साथ में if you tell your name also, it immediately registers in his mind. उनको बहुत टाइम तक याद रहता है आपका नाम. Power handshake doesn't mean you give this tight handshake. या कुछ लोगों की आदत होती है, they give this kind of handshake. और भाई क्या हाल चाल है? They want an upper hand. Shows dominance. Hello sir, कैसे हैं आप? All well? Loose handshake or weak handshake, it shows you are submissive. Avoid both. One thing you remember, friends, that handshake is the only form of body language which involves touch. So make the most of it. Remember, the winning strategy says your destiny is in your hands. On a funny note, friends, बात ना सुनते हुए भी हाँ में सर हिलाना. Do you know the secret? It's a technique जिसने हमारे देश की लाखों शादियों को बचा रखा है. So during the conversation, आपके hand movements की तरह आपका head movement also plays an important role. वो जो मैंने अभी स्टेच्यू बन के एक डायलॉग दिया था, उसमें there was one more missing link. There was no head movement. Now head movement के पहले positioning of head. आपने नोटिस किया होगा कुछ लोगों को वेदर दे आर आस्किंग क्वेश्चंस, रिस्पॉन्ड कर रहे हैं या स्टेटमेंट दे रहे हैं, दे हैव द हैबिट ऑफ पोजीशनिंग देयर हेड डाउनवर्ड्स. हाँ सर, हो जाएगा सर, कल तक हो जाएगा कंप्लीट. इट शोज यूर सबमिसिव और मीक. कोई भी आपके ऊपर चढ़ के बैठेगा. ऑन द कंट्रारी, देयर आर अदर्स जिनको बहुत शौक होता है सर तान के बात करने का. हाँ भाई, बहुत ट्रैफिक है, मैंने घर छोड़ दिया आज. इट शोज योर एरोगेंस. अवॉइड बोथ. आप नोटिस करोगे दैट आपकी बॉडी पोस्चर के अकॉर्डिंग आपके वर्ड्स, लैंग्वेज, टोन तीनों चेंज हो जाते हैं. So make sure you look straight. Your head should be facing the person you are in conversation with. Now, conversation के time पे nodding, हल्का फुल्का head shaking is desirable to show that you are right there in the conversation. Too much of head shaking not required. So, for a good body language, how to give an ideal head gesture? I'll give you a clue again. Always remember, friends, 30-degree rule during the conversation. So if this is the straight position of your head, during the conversation, as and when required, you can move your head 30-degree right, then 30-degree left, then 30-degree up, and then 30-degree down. Your head should keep moving within this 30-degree parameter. It should not cross the 30-degree barrier during the conversation. वैसे आपकी मर्जी, आप कितना भी सर हिलाओ, आपका अपना सर है. No one is going to bother you. I have tried my level best to simplify these tips for you. So till now in body language we have learned the positioning of your legs, feet, your posture while standing, sitting, proper space utilization. And I'm happy that आप में से बहुत लोगों ने already इनको incorporate कर लिया है अपने routine में. Today we discuss the appropriate utilization of head movement and hand movement. So to make your speech powerful and impressive, practice these tips and incorporate them in your routine talks. चाहे वो आपके immediate family में हो, relatives में हो, friends में हो या colleagues के साथ में हो, try utilizing these tips. जैसे आप चाहते हैं कि सामने वाला आपको attention दे, तो आपको भी उनको उतना ही attention देना पड़ेगा, exclusively. So by the time I come back with some more tips, beautiful tips this time, ये tips already आपकी habit बन चुके होंगे. So happy learning and I'm going to see you all very soon. Bye-bye.